Hey guys, I will try to be straightforward about the Topstep payout policy and how it works and what are some important things what you need to know. So Topstep got two funded stages, Express funded account and then also Live funded account. In both stages, payouts are based on winning days and a simple profit split. A winning day means your net P&L is like $150 or more in the day. On new dashboard, it's $150. On legacy dashboard, it's still $200+. Now, payout rules. So for the Express funded account, you have to at least 5 winning trading days, non-consecutive, each with $150 profit. And then when you qualify, you can withdraw up to $5,000 or 50% of your account balance, whichever is lower, and minimum payout is $125. And now important things, after you take a payout, your winning day counter resets. You must build up another 5 winning days before the next payout. Does it make sense? And the 5 days does not have to be in a row. So the payout rules, so for the live funded account, you need 5 winning days or $150 plus, then you can withdraw up to 50%. And there's no 5,000 cap in live, just the 50% rule. So, and also for the live funded account, after payout, you must build another 5 winning days. So once you are in a live funded account and you have 30 non-consecutive winning days with 150 net profit, then you unlock daily payout requests, and then also ability to withdraw up to 100%. So, but you need those 30 non-consecutive winning days. And the condition minimum payout is also $125. I hope it makes sense. Then when we're gonna go further, you're gonna have profit split. So the profit split, first $10,000 in payouts across all funded accounts, you keep 100% profits. After your total payouts exceed 10,000, the profit split becomes 90 to 20 and you receive 90%, Topstep keeps 10%. And then how the payouts affect the maximum loss limit. Topstep use a maximum loss limit. So after your first payout, your max loss limit is set to 0 and stays there. That means from then on, the money left in your account is actually the amount of money you can lose. And now, getting called up the live funded account, because a lot of people, what happens is that they taken by 5 payouts in a single Express funded account. The risk team may move you earlier or later depending on your performance. So, but when you're gonna go to live comparing from Express, all Express accounts are closed. And then your live starting balance is based on largest combined, like 50K, 100K, 150K, or your total Express balance, whichever is lower. So it needs to be like 1 to 3 business days to approve for the payout. And you can go ACH, Wire, Wise, and many others. And then, and what I want to show you is also this here. So for the article for the July, for new live funded accounts created after July, winning days from the Express funded account no longer carry over to live. Only winning days earned in live count towards the 30 winning days needed to unlock daily payouts and 100% balance access. Traders who were already in live before the date keep their already counting winning days. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.